Hello friends, welcome back to Welter QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. I am Vincent. As promised last time, in this video we will be discussing about how to TIG weld stainless steel. Okay, let us start. To TIG weld stainless steel, first of all, we should choose the right power source. The power source supposed to be DC power source and the polarity should be electrode negative, that is straight polarity DCEN, and obviously the power source will be a constant current type. An inbuilt high frequency power source should be used as far as possible. If not, at least you have to attach a high frequency unit with the machine. The high frequency to be used to start the arc. After that, it may not be required as far as welding stainless is concerned. TIG welding of stainless is concerned. But for aluminum, it is required for continuously, and the necessary settings are to be done. And the preferred electrode to weld stainless steel is EWTH2, that is thoriated tungsten TS2 with 2% thorium, because it have a more stable arc and can be used with higher current. And the shielding gas is usually argon. Mixture of argon and helium can be used to weld heavy sections. And of course, the filler metal selection is very important in GTAW, that is TIG welding, and is usually specified by the design engineer. The diameter of the filler metal should be thinner than the base metal. A one size thinner is better always. Ensure that the filler metal and base material should be chemically compatible and possess similar mechanical properties. If not specified, then we have to refer the available chart, or you can refer my last video and select the matching filler rods. And the polarity, as I just said, DCEN, that is straight polarity, gives very deep penetration. In general, use a filler rod with a diameter less than the thickness of the metal to be welded. This you can consider as a thumb rule. For stainless steel, you normally use less amperage compared to carbon steel. At low amperage, large rods chills the puddle and can cause an irregular beads. ER308 and 308L are most commonly used filler metals for TIG welding of stainless steel. It is the best choice for welding 304 grade stainless steel, which is widely used in manufacturing. Use a suitable gas length for better aesthetics and shiny beads. You set the welding parameters according to the welding procedure. Before starting off the welding, you should clean the weld area thoroughly using a stainless steel wire brush. That's very important. Let us discuss about the electrode geometry, that is grinding the tungsten electrode, how it should be. A taper of no more than 2.5 times the electrode diameter creates a focused arc capable of producing deep, thin beads and a narrow heat affected zone. If it is more than 2.5 times, the arc may fan out, which will cause less penetration and wide heat affected zone. Now let us discuss about gas flow and travel speed. Keep the gas flowing and directed at the puddle until the orange color fades. The post flow also cools the puddle and electrode as well. And don't move the torch too fast. That's also very important. Now let us see the welding angles. The way you hold the torch as well as hold the filler metal. Just see the angles. And let us see the welding, how the welding is going on. Okay friends, that's all for the time being. Our next video will be how to TIG weld aluminum. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Goodbye again.